Now back to the actual Mixtrack Pro. When it's time to plug it in, it's so easy. USB, red and white audio. USB goes to your computer, red and white audio goes to your speaker system. Red and white audios are also known as RCAs. They're generic to home hi-fis, PlayStations, boom boxes, sound systems all over the world. You can get cables that will adapt red and white RCAs to jacks. If you're going to go to XLRs, you're going to need a DI box most likely. A lot of people these days like to just go straight to a mini jack, which is the type of jack that you get on the edge of the headphones on any kind of iPod or MP3 generic digital player, and they can be attached into little computer speakers. You don't actually need any kind of audio out with a Mixtrack Pro because there are headphone outs, and as we say later on in the videos, using the Q Mix here and setting it to PGM, everything you hear out of the headphones will effectively simulate what you would hear out of the speakers. Please watch out for young people when they're using these. If they're saying, miss, sir, I can't hear anything, that they haven't put their headphones into the microphone socket. It's a common mistake, but they won't hear anything out of there.